Hello there, Matthew Rasmussen, a New Jersey probate attorney, here talking to you again today. And today what I want to talk about is the New Jersey gas tax bill, which is currently working its way through Trenton. It was passed by the House, passed by the Senate, and is currently on the desk of the governor awaiting signature. And based on from what I'm hearing in the news, it looks like it will be passed. And what the bill does in terms of the gas tax, as you know, I'm sure from listening to the radio over the last couple weeks, is that it raises New Jersey's gas tax by 23 cents a gallon. And from what I understand, that would bring us from the second least expensive state in the union in terms of the gas tax to somewhere like in the top 10 states in most expensive gas taxes in the union. And any New Jersey resident is, at least that I've talked to, is not surprised that Trenton wants to raise taxes. But why is a probate attorney, why do I want to talk to you about this bill? Well, the bill also has another tax in it that you probably haven't heard too much discussion on, and that's the New Jersey estate tax. And I want to talk to you for a few minutes today to give you another perspective on the gas tax bill. Okay? The New Jersey estate tax is, of course, near and dear to a probate attorney's heart because we have to deal with it so often in New Jersey. In fact, this is one of the most surprising conversations we have with clients because they say, hey Matt, there's no way that my family is subject to the estate tax. We're not millionaires. The estate tax, that's just for millionaires. And we have to tell them, listen, I'm sorry, in New Jersey that's just not true. The estate tax in New Jersey starts on estates worth $675,000. And given what properties are worth in New Jersey, it's actually not that high of a threshold for an estate to cross. So unfortunately, a lot of families are surprised to find out that they're actually subject to the New Jersey estate tax. And so what this bill would do, the gas tax bill, is January 1st, 2017, it would raise that 675 threshold to $2 million, which would make it a millionaire's tax. And then January 1st, 2018, if the state goes through with all of the language in the bill, would actually get rid of the estate tax altogether, which is a positive good, right? Well, I don't know. Let's talk about it. Let's talk some numbers to really get rubber on the road here. And to do this, let's talk about a hypothetical person, John Jersey, who's, of course, as you can tell by his name, a proud resident of the state of New Jersey. And let's say he drives an average amount, and let's say that he's currently worth around $700,000, so he would be, subject to the estate tax. AAA is estimating that for the average motorist in New Jersey, the increased tax will amount to about $170 a year. Okay, so that's somewhere around 700 gallons for those keeping track at home. Now, if John were to unfortunately pass away, his estate would be subject to the estate tax. And an estate tax on a $700,000 estate is just over $9,000. So what does that mean? Well, that means that in order for John to pay more taxes through the gas tax than he would with the estate tax, John would have to drive over 52 years to pay more in taxes. So maybe for some of us it's not such a bad tax. Is it a good tax? I don't know. I live in New Jersey. I certainly think that we're overtaxed. I don't want to have any more taxes. But maybe for some people in New Jersey, the $170 a year isn't so bad, and it would be better to have no estate tax. Whereas for others, maybe the estate tax isn't a concern, and the $170 a year is a big concern. I'll let you guys decide that. Until next time, My name is Matthew Rasmussen with Rasmussen Law, where we bring peace and serenity to the probate process. Thanks so much.